Hello children, this is Mosmi, your maths teacher. Previous video we have finished second lesson. Okay, so you have learned number 1 to 9. You also have learned number name. Then what comes before, what comes after, and what comes in between you already have learned. So today I am going to start a new lesson. Okay, chapter 3, addition. So in this chapter what you will learn that how to add the numbers. Okay, so here the keywords you will see that add, total, altogether, sum, more. So these all common words you will get in this chapter. Okay, so now we will see the textbook. Okay, first we will start with the textbook. Okay children, open your textbook, page number 52. Okay, so in the 52 you can observe what is written, how many altogether. So there are so many pictures already given, you have to find how many altogether. Okay, let's see here. First one they have given already. First picture, it has 2 cows. Okay, 1, 2. Then second picture, and second picture has 1 cow. So total how many you have? 1, 2, 3. So total how many you are getting? 1, 2, 3. So 2 cows and 1 cow is equal to 3 cows. So all together we are getting. Okay, now next see what is given, 3 children. So 3 children are playing, 2 children are running. So 3 children and 2 children is equal to total how many children? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total how many we are getting? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 children and 2 children is equal to 5 children. Now here how many flowers? You can observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many flowers you have? 5. Correct. So here how many flowers? 1, 2. So 2. So 5 flowers and 2 flowers is equal to, this is equal sign. So like this we used to write equal sign, 2 parallel line. Okay. So equal, how many flowers it will be? So 5, 6, 7. So let us count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many flowers we have? 7 flowers. Okay. So like that 5 flowers and 2 flowers all together is equal to 7 flowers. Okay. Now next we will go. See here how many birds are there in this. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many? 4 birds. Okay. In this how many? 2 birds are flying. Okay. That means 4 birds are sitting on the branch and 2 birds are flying. Then these 2 birds join these 4 birds. So total how many birds is there in the branch now? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total now we have 6 birds. That means 4 birds and 2 birds is equal to altogether 6 birds. Okay. Now, so what we saw, so many things all together it is called, that means we are joining, we are counting them all together. This is nothing but addition. When we will count the numbers or count the things all together, that is called addition. Okay, let's do some other. Now here you can observe. So first picture, how many shirts are there? first picture you have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6. Second picture it has 1 2, so first picture it has 6 shirts and second picture it has 2 shirts. So total how many? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total we have 8 shirts. Okay, now let's see. So in the first picture how many tomatoes are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So total 5 tomatoes are there. In second picture how many tomatoes are there? Nothing. Okay, so nothing, that means it has 0. Okay, so 5 tomatoes and 0 tomatoes, total how many? So 1 2 3 4 5, nothing means we can't count. Yes, 0 we can't count. Now how many total? 1 2 3 4 5. So that means 5 plus 0 we are getting 5. Okay, that means when we are adding, when we are counting the numbers, then we will with nothing we will get the same number. Next, let's see how many ants are there in first picture. 1 2 3 4. So 4 ants are there. In second picture 1 2. So total how many it should be? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so let us count here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total 6 ants. So 4 ants and 2 ants all together is equal to 6 ants. Okay, now next, if you observe here, how many books? 1 2. Okay, here no books. No books means 0. So total 2 books and 0 is equal to 2. Okay, now again they have given. Okay, again they have given the picture. Now we will see. So here I have given some picture. So first picture, if you observe here, how many fish? 1 2 3 plus. So you can see here one sign plus. So what is called this? This sign is called addition sign. So when we will add something, we will count something all together, we will use this sign. Okay, this is called plus. So when we are adding anything, any numbers, that time we will write in between the numbers, we will write this sign. This is called addition sign. So after addition we will use this equal sign. So equal sign always we will write like this. Okay, so 3 fishes plus 1 fish is equal to total how many? 4 fishes. Correct? Now here how many cakes are there? Cupcakes. 1 2 3 4. So 4 cupcakes and 2 candles. So total how many? So total the things you have 6. So what we are using here? Plus sign. So when we will add or count together, all together some numbers, that time we will write with, that means we are doing addition, and addition sign is known as plus sign. So we will write like this. How to write? First we will draw a slipping line, over that we will draw a standing line, become plus. Okay, now here you have to do this. I will not do because already I did for you to know. So this one you will do yourself. Okay, so just I will discuss. See, first how many flowers are there in the cat hand? In the cat hands it has 4 flowers, and in the rat hands it has 3 flowers. You know cat and rat where you can see? In which cartoon? Tom and Jerry. Just you imagine, Tom's hand it has 4 flowers and Jerry's hand it has 3 flowers. So all together how many flowers they have? 4 plus 3 is 7. So how to do this one? Yes, you will count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So how you are doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many? 7 flowers. Okay. Similarly, see how many puppies are drinking milk? Yes, 4 puppies are there and 2 puppies are running to get that. Yes. So total how many puppies? So here first picture it has 4 puppies and second it has 2 puppies. That means 4 plus 2 is equal to how many? So you can count easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total how many puppies are there now? Now it has all together 6 puppies. See, this green shirt boy has 4 marbles on his hand. Okay. And this blue shirt boy has 4 marbles. So all together total how many marbles? That means this one boy has given marble to another one. So this green shirt boy has all the marbles together. How many marbles he has? So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 marbles are there. Now we will learn this addition. So till now you have seen the addition or count all together the things. Okay, now we will learn how to add the numbers. Okay, maybe you have 2 pencils and your friends has give you 3 pencils. Okay, so how many you have? First you have 2 pencils, your friends have give another 3 pencils. Okay, so total how many pencils you have? So one method is there, you can do what is given in your day. So you have 2 pencils, now you have got 3 pencils. Total how many dots you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 dots you have. Okay, that means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But I will teach you another one method. Okay, so how you will do? 2 plus 3. So how we will learn this? 2 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So now how much you got? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, let's do another one. You have 4 chocolates. Okay, then your father gave you another 2 chocolates. So total how many you have? So how you will do that? You will write 4 plus 2. Okay, now 4 is in the mind, 2 on the finger. Okay, 4 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 4 what number will come? 5. 5 after 6. So no finger is there. That means how much you got? After 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, let us do another one problem. So maybe the number is 7. 7 plus 1, okay, is equal to 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, now another one problem we will do. 3 plus 6. So we will write first 3, then 6 plus. So 3 in the mind, 3 in the mind, 6 on the finger, but 6 is not there in the finger, so we will open our both the hands. Okay, okay, so here I can't show you the 4 fingers, so okay, so 6, you can see. Okay, total 6. So 3 in the mind, 6 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let me do again. So total I have 6, 7 finger. You can see 7, 1 is here and 5 is here. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Okay, so like that way you can do the addition. Very good. So here some addition they have give. You should finish this one. Okay, now see 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 4 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 4, 5, 6. So you can write here 6. Okay, very good. Now here one problem you will see. See 7 plus 0. So when 7 in the mind, 0 how we can? Nothing. So 7 plus 0, 7 only. Okay, that means anything is add with 0 or 0 is adding with anyone, like 9 plus 0, 0 plus 9. So 0 means 0 in the mind, 9 on the finger. Okay, so there is 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 when we will add 0 with any number or number will add with 0, the answer will be number itself. Okay, when 0 is adding with any number or any number is adding with 0, that is called the number itself, we will get the answer. Okay, so you will finish your work till page number 55 in the textbook. Okay, for class work I have given small work. So home assignment you neatly copy down this one. With that you will write page number 55 where you will write in class work. So in class work including this assignment you will write page number 55 problems. Okay, this all problem you will do in the class work as well as you will do in the textbook. Okay, So I hope you all have understood. Neatly you will complete and you should send to the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you children, take care, bye.